y'all, I've got a can of chicken breast and a 2-cup bag of pepper jack cheese. I'll put the whole bag in there. Then we're coming in with a can of cream of chicken condensed soup mix. We put the whole thing in there just like that. And 1 can of veg all. It's my favorite kind of mixed veg to use in a recipe like this. We're gonna be adding a couple of dashes of this green Tabasco. I am not a big fan of the red Tabasco. It's a little too spicy for me, but this green jalapeno kind is amazing. I put it on everything. A little bit of garlic powder. Add as little or as much as you'd like. And some onion powder. Same with that. I don't have measurements for this kind of stuff. A little bit of salt. And some black pepper. Give this a mix. Get all those flavors together. This is such a great recipe for like game day, for like watch parties. Make a batch of these. People can grab one and move right to their couch. Then just make sure you go in and you break up that chicken. Nobody wants a giant piece of chicken, especially in a dish like this. Make sure there's a little bit of chicken, a little bit of veg in every single bite. I've got these jumbo size shells that I've cooked halfway through. You don't want to cook them all the way because then they'll be super soft and mushy. I'm gonna put them into these muffin tins. And I'm coming back with that chicken pot pie mixture and an ice cream scoop, and we're just gonna put one in every single shell, just like that. It's gonna be a little spicy. It's gonna be like not quite Tex-Mex, but just enough of a kick that everybody's gonna know that it's a little bit different than your traditional pot pie. And then having it in these shells is gonna make it so easy to serve and also to grab at a party. Just like that. We're coming in with some Colby Jack cheese. Just put a little on top of each one. Everybody likes a cheesy dish, but this kind of doubles it up because there's some cheese on the inside with that jalapeno jack, that pepper jack, and then this Colby Jack on top is just going to make it even cheesier. No one ever complains about too much cheese. Like, that's not a thing. Okay, put on this last one right here. We're gonna top everything with a little bit of parsley because that makes everything looks a little bit pretty and a little bit fancier, just like that. And then this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Look at how these turned out. They look so amazing and super cheesy. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one in the middle. They pop right out just like that. See how much fun they're gonna be at like a watch party or a game day. Go ahead and take a bite. They're delicious. Totally need to make a batch. Think you'll like them.